Hey friends, I am so excited today to introduce you to a new subscription box. Well, it's new to us. Meet GlobeIn, a sustainable subscription that supports artisans in remote communities. I was really elated when they reached out to me to allow me to choose a box to preview for all of you because I've been keeping an eye on their Instagram page for quite some time. And every time I see their different monthly choices of products, I get major FOMO. What makes this so special is that by purchasing one of these subscriptions, you are supporting artisans globally, and you get to read about their stories when you receive your box. In fact, we're going to link to this Cookery Box's artisans and makers in the description of this video. And of course, we have a fabulous discount for you. I want to make sure I get the details right, so I am reading it here. You're going to want to use the link in the description of this video. Use the code CruiseGear, and you will get 50% off the first box in a 3-month or longer subscription. GlobeIn ships to the USA and Canada only at this time. So let's dive into this and wait until you see the sangria vibes for this selection. I was absolutely amazed when I saw it on the website, but then when I got it in person and I peeked in the box, I still couldn't believe that this was mine. It is so gorgeous. So the Cookery Box includes this gorgeous pitcher. This is an iced tea pitcher. It is called Green Swirl, and it is from artisans in Mexico. I'm not going to be using this for iced tea. I'm straight up going to tell you guys that I'm going to make white sangria, red sangria, and apple cider margaritas, and it's kind of echoing when I go like this. So funny. I keep hearing my voice that way. Gorgeous. Next up, it comes with 2 matching glasses. These are so cute. I spent a lot of time traveling to Mexico when I was a young girl with my family, and we would go downtown Puerto Vallarta and go shopping for homemade items, and these were exactly the types of things that we would see. So the cookery set comes with these 2 beautiful glasses. You could use these for iced tea, but they certainly would also make wonderful little wine glasses. They are so cute. But that is not all. There's more. Also, the kit comes with this little wood spatula. This is called the Neem wood spatula, and this was made in India. Very, very pretty. I might just have to use that to stir my sangria, just saying. And the last item that this particular box comes with is the Neem wood chopping board. This is also from India. My husband's looking at me going, honey, we don't need another cutting board, but I'm gonna make, cheese platters, little mini charcuteries on this. Absolutely gorgeous and very high quality. I hope that you have all enjoyed seeing something new today. There's so much that I can tell you about GlobeIn, and I do want to make sure that I hit a few really important points here, so I'm going to refer to my notes. If you're a subscriber, you get to select your box between the 1st and the 15th of each month, and you can also do add-ons every month during that window of time as well. The coolest thing is that they have 10 to 15 different box choices for you every month, sometimes more, sometimes less than that, but you really have a lot of control and choice. And of course, they do put up some spoilers on their Instagram and Facebook pages too. So if you decide to sign up for this, you're definitely going to want to follow them on social media as well. We hope that you've enjoyed this. I hope that you're able to use our discount code to check it out. Again, you want to use the code CruiseGear at the link below for 50% off your first box on a 3 or longer month subscription. And again, they ship to the United States and Canada. I'm going to hold up the items just one more time before we go. You can see the pitcher and the 2 glasses and the little cutting board, which I will definitely use as a serving tray because it's too pretty to cut anything on, and this cute little spatula. Thank you all so very much for watching. Would you let me know what you think of this new box, and if you'd like to see more of these in the future, down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, get in gear and get cruising.